Welcome to Organic Chemistry, the study of carbon-based compounds. Carbon's ability to form strong covalent bonds allows it to create millions of different molecules, from the fossil fuels that power our world to the polymers in everyday plastics. In your exam, this topic is heavily tested, so let's master the fundamentals together. Let's map out the key concept: homologous series. These are families of organic compounds with the same functional group and general formula showing similar chemical properties. The simplest series is the alkanes, which are saturated hydrocarbons containing only single carbon-carbon bonds. Their general formula is CnH2n+2. As the carbon chain lengthens, intermolecular forces strengthen, increasing boiling point and viscosity while decreasing flammability. Turning to our core study notes, here are the definitions that often appear in exam questions. A hydrocarbon contains only hydrogen and carbon. Saturated means only single bonds, while unsaturated means at least one double bond. The functional group is the reactive part of the molecule. For alkenes, it's the C=C bond, for alcohols, it's the OH group. Learn these precisely to avoid losing marks. Now let's look at two important industrial processes. Fractional distillation separates crude oil into fractions based on boiling points. The shorter chain hydrocarbons have lower boiling points and are more in demand. Cracking breaks down long chain alkanes into shorter, more useful molecules like alkenes. The conditions required are high temperature and a catalyst. This is a common 2 to 3 mark explanation question. Let's work through a typical exam question, balancing the combustion of pentane. Start with the unbalanced equation. Balance carbon atoms first. 5 carbons give 5 CO2. Then hydrogen, 12 hydrogens give 6 H2O. Finally, balance oxygen. Count oxygens on the right. 5 times 2 plus 6 times 1 is equal to 16, so we need 8 O2 molecules. The balanced equation is C5H12 plus 8O2 5CO2 plus 6H2O. Always check your atom counts. Watch out for these common pitfalls. First, a hydrocarbon is not a mixture, it's a compound containing only hydrogen and carbon. Second, when explaining cracking, always mention high temperature and a catalyst. Third, in addition reactions, alkenes become saturated as the double bond opens. Examiners love testing these details, so be precise. To wrap up, remember that hydrocarbons contain only hydrogen and carbon. Homologous series share a functional group and general formula. Alkanes are saturated with single bonds, alkenes are unsaturated with a double bond. Cracking uses heat and a catalyst to produce shorter molecules. When balancing combustion equations, balance carbon first, then hydrogen, then oxygen. Master these concepts, and you'll ace your organic chemistry exam.